Welcome to this video on the modern transformer, a strategic asset demanding a strategic approach. We will embark on a diagnostic journey into the maintenance, analysis, and reliability of power transformers. A power transformer is often the most costly and critical asset in a power system. Failure can lead to a cascade of operational, financial, and safety risks. Proactive maintenance is non-negotiable. To understand a transformer's health, we use a diagnostic journey, moving from visible symptoms to microscopic evidence. This process involves 4 levels, from external checks to deep electrical and forensic analysis. Level 1, external vitals, is the initial physical checkup. This includes routine observation of oil levels, the silica gel breather, leaks and corrosion, bushings and insulators, the cooling system, and infrared thermography for hotspots. Level 2 is liquid diagnostics. Insulating oil is the transformer's lifeblood, carrying diagnostic information. Analyzing it is crucial, as the oil provides insulation, cooling, protection, and vital information about the system's condition. Moisture content is a silent killer, accelerating the deterioration of insulation. Dielectric strength, or BDV, measures the oil's ability to withstand electrical stress. A low BDV indicates compromised insulating properties. As oil ages, it produces organic acids, which is measured by acidity, or neutralization number. This process leads to sludge formation, which severely impairs cooling efficiency. Interfacial tension, IFT, also indicates oil quality. The Oil Quality Index, or OQIN, is a unified health score calculated by dividing IFT by NN. This numerical value evaluates overall oil condition. The OQIN condition table outlines how this index correlates to transformer health. Level 3 focuses on solid core health, assessing the paper insulation, the transformer's skeleton. Degraded paper cannot be restored. Formaldehyde analysis is a non-invasive way to estimate paper condition by measuring 2 formaldehyde compounds in the oil. The Formaldehyde Interpretation Guide helps estimate the degree of polymerization, DP. Levels above 10 ppm indicate paper is near or at critical condition, signaling the unit should be taken out of service for inspection. Level 4 is electrical and forensic analysis, starting with the insulation resistance test. The Polarization Index Test, PI, offers a more conclusive measure of insulation condition, comparing readings at 10 minutes to 1 minute. Dissolved gas analysis, DGA, is the ultimate forensic tool. By analyzing dissolved gases, we detect incipient faults caused by thermal or electrical stresses. DGA provides advanced warning and allows for convenient scheduling of repairs. Different fault types produce unique gas signatures. For instance, partial discharge produces hydrogen, while arcing produces acetylene. Identifying these key gas fault signatures helps specialists pinpoint the internal problem. A complete transformer health report synthesizes all data points. A true diagnosis comes from correlating parameters like OQIN, polarization index, formaldehyde level, and DGA results to provide a comprehensive view of asset health. The action plan is a proactive maintenance schedule, key to maximizing reliability. This comprehensive schedule includes checks hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, and long-term, based on data-informed decisions.